It's Greg Clesius with Gulf Coast Fishing Homes Realty. A lot of questions I'm getting right now is, have real estate values peaked? And for the record, today is April 8th, 2022. And the reason is, we don't know for sure. Why don't we know for sure? Because there's so much conflicting data. Big data point number one was interest rates were 2.5% in November. Today, interest rates are above 5% and going up. I expect interest rates to be 7% by November of this year. That's what my thought is. But we also have inflation running at 7, 8, 9%, which pushes values up. Okay, so what are the other data points? Well, the inventory of homes on the market continues at a third of the level it used to be. Homes are selling in 22 days or less on average in stellar MLS. That pushes values up or holds values the same. Also, the cost of lumber, the cost to build new houses has gone from $150 a square to sometimes now over $300 a square, which changes the price per square foot measurement of selling homes, which holds values up. But we are seeing an economy that people are going to say is going into recession in the next year. And that's going to push values down. So what do I personally think is going to happen from here? My personal opinion is that, yes, we have reached the peak of the real estate values at this point. The massive run up in values that we have had for the last 2 years, in my view, is over. I think values, though, are not going to dramatically fall from here. There's no crash on the horizon. Why? We still have buyers. We still have a lot of cash buyers. There's a lot of incentive to move to Florida. There's a lot of incentive to move to the Tampa Bay area in particular. Until we see inventory radically get back to where it was 2 years ago, then I just don't see values going down dramatically. I do think values will level off. I think buyers will be able to stop all this BS with, oh, I won't do an inspection period, or I'll bid $40,000 over ask, or I'll do this and that to get that house. I think buyers will be more cautious. The other thing that's going to help is that appraisers will now have the time to catch up with where values are, and we'll probably get some more realistic appraisals based on what today's value is, because appraisers have been chasing the animal up the road. And they just can't get to a lot of value. So all these, we'll underappraise or do this. It is time to sell your house if you're thinking about selling for max value. It's only going to get harder from here to get that value for your house. The more interest rates go up, the harder it is to sell. If you're thinking about buying, find the right house, negotiate a strong deal, and be happy with it. If it goes down in value a little bit over the next year, it's probably going to go down 10 or 15%. But you got the house you wanted. And in 5 or 10 years, it'll be up 50% anyway. So you still have won. Make good long-term strategic decisions. I hate the frantic that was in the market this time last year because people made dumb decisions because they were just panicked. Don't make panic decisions. If you're looking for a real estate agent that will tell you to slow down, take your time, find the right house, negotiate hard, but don't overpay. That's me. I sell 100 plus houses a year. I don't need to sell you a house today to feed the kids and grandkids. I'm here to be a guided Sherpa to help you find what you're looking for, to find the right path to your goal. I'm not here to panic you to buy something. If you're thinking about selling, now's the time to do really good marketing. Have a strong advocate that's going to tell you the truth about what the value of homes is in your neighborhood and guide you to the right value. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 813-394-4356. Please do not panic about selling your house now. Please do not panic about buying a house now. Let's make good, firm, solid decisions, and let's talk our way through this process so it's not a panic. Okay? Call me at 813-394-4356. Have an amazing day. Bye now.